I think the first thing is just exposure to a network of people, so hearing other people's challenges and their experiences is really helpful for people that are coming into the process and haven't been through it before.
Having this collective is really useful because one, they can all draw on experiences they have to make the network and industry for product design in Scotland much more robust. But at the same time it also helps for customers to be able to understand who the best partner would be to take their product and realise it in the market.
So there's been a number of different challenges, I guess, in bringing a product to market. But it's just about perseverance, and I think it's about having a really good working relationship with your manufacturer.
At i4 Product Design, we can start at any stage really, whether it's at the very beginning at the product requirements and specification stage, right through to the detailed engineering and pre-production support.
Yeah, hopefully it's on the up. Manufacturing's definitely a growing sector at the moment, and it's exciting times.
So I think the key takeaways from the Design for Manufacturing event are really basically that collaboration and speaking to people about your problems early is essential, and that when choosing your partners you need to choose carefully, and you need to really understand what are the capabilities of the partners and are they really going to help me solve my problem, and will that be cost effective.
I'm Ben Peace from the Knowledge Transfer Network. It's been great to be here today where we've brought together a diverse range of stakeholders who collectively have tremendous expertise that can tackle the challenges that innovators will face as they're trying to bring a product to manufacturing fruition.